Hi, I'm Lexi. In today's lesson, I'll show you 10 powerful English idioms to express sadness like a native speaker. Number 1, down in the dumps. It means feeling very low or depressed. Example, she's been down in the dumps since her pet passed away. Number 2, feel blue. It means experiencing sadness or melancholy. Example, I feel blue on rainy days like today. Number 3, down in the mouth. It means looking unhappy or dejected. Example, he looked down in the mouth after the bad news. Number 4, heavy heart. It means feeling weighed down by grief or sorrow. Example, with a heavy heart, she said goodbye to her friends. Number 5, heart sinks. It means suddenly feeling disappointed or hopeless. Example, my heart sank when I missed the train. Number 6, lump in your throat. It means feeling emotional, like you're about to cry. Example, there's a lump in my throat watching this sad movie. Number 7, cry your eyes out. It means weep uncontrollably from grief. Example, the child cried her eyes out when lost. Number 8, in the doldrums. It means in a temporary state of low spirits or boredom. Example, the team has been in the doldrums after losing. Number 9, woe is me. It means self-pitying expression of sadness. Example, woe is me, my phone broke right before the trip. Number 10, drowning in sorrow. It means overwhelmed by intense unhappiness. Example, he's drowning in sorrow after the family loss. Hey everyone, that's a wrap on our 10 sadness idioms. Don't forget to try out the quiz below. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.